guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you products that I received from SHEIN. I received this box right here and I am so excited to open and show you all what I got. So let's go. I'm so excited, you know why? Because it's all summer clothes, and guys, after a while of winter, all we want is what? Like nice and cute summer clothes, right? So I am so excited. All right, guys, let's see what I got. Oh my God. Okay, so here is the box full of things, and I am so excited. Well, let's do this. I love doing this, guys. 13 items. Oh my God, I'm so excited. First thing that I'm gonna open is this, which I still don't know what it is. Now I know what it is. It's a jumpsuit, guys. I am so excited to wear this jumpsuit right here because the color is like blue, like a dark blue. Basically, guys, it's a jumpsuit. It's a long jumpsuit, and it's really cute for the summer. You know, like just dress it with a shirt under. The buttons are so cute. Look at this. The fabric is really good. Next one will be, I think I got two of them, but like different colors. Oh yes, I got another one, but brownish. Oh my goodness, this oh my God, this is so cute, guys. This is so cute. It's very similar, but instead of the buttons, this one doesn't have buttons. It has like, actually you're just gonna tie a little bit. Stay tuned on my Instagram because probably you're gonna see pictures of me wearing them. Next one, guys, I picked a bunch of these jumpsuits because besides comfortable, they are very cute. So basically, I got another one, but at this time, this one is black. So I think this is like a very chic style, you know? You can be a little bit more chic, like fancy, or something very casual. So I picked them because of that. And because since summer is coming, or spring and summer, I just want like some comfortable clothes. So yes, this one is really cute. I love it. Okay, next one will be, oh, what is this one? These are pants. Cute, very cute pants. Oh my God, these are very cute pants. Lately, I've been so in love with like pants, like this, how can I say, style of pants. You know, they're very comfortable and very cute. And these ones are really cute. I love the color. And yes, let's see this one right here. Okay, so what is this one? Another one! Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is really cute, and this one has olive green color, and it's really cute. I cannot wait to wear them and to wear this one actually. Yes, I love it. It's another jumpsuit. Oh my God, I'm gonna be full of jumpsuits this summer. I love them. I really love them. Okay, so next one will be so cute. Look at these shorts, guys. Oh my goodness, I am so in love with them because I was actually looking for, you know, shorts, bottoms to wear because I basically don't have any. I just have like a few jeans shorts, but I was looking for like some cute ones, and these ones are really cute, and the quality is really nice, and it's gonna be so cute and so nice to wear them for this summer. I love them. Oh my God. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so I also picked a dress, and it's really cute, and yes, it's like a floral dress. I love it. I cannot wait to wear it. So cute. Next one is this one, and I don't remember what it is actually. Let's see. Is it a short? Nope. Oh my god, it's another jumpsuit. Okay, I did not pick all of these. I have to say that I love this color. Love this color, really. The color is really, really cute. The style is really cute too. It's really cute because you can style like this, you know? Oh wow, and it's so comfy. Guys, this is really, really comfortable. I wish you guys could feel it. Yes. Okay, so this one I remember and I know what it is. This one is basically, oh wow. Okay. This top is so cute. I love the color blue. It's very like, I don't know how to call this style of shirt and top, but I legit love this. I think it's gonna be really cute with like jeans, shorts, or even like a skirt. So yes, very cute. Okay, I have 3 more items and okay. Oh, they're so cute. Guys, I literally just need some shorts, like bottoms, and these are perfect. I don't know if you can really see the color, but it's like khaki, I don't know, like beige. I don't really know how to call this color, but it's really, really cute. And I think it's gonna fit me really well. I was reading that this brand right here, which is Daisy, I don't know. It runs a little bit smaller, so I got a little bit bigger. And the 2 last items, of course, I had to get something in like jeans because I am obsessed with jeans. So I got, oh my god. Okay, I didn't even open it yet, but I already can feel that these jeans right here, they're so comfortable. Oh my goodness. I actually need more like, you know, pants, jeans pants, and this one is so cute. And I wish you guys could feel the quality. Really, it's like really, really, really comfortable. And these last ones right here are just as comfortable as the other ones. So I don't know if they're gonna fit me because they are large, but I hope so. These jeans are really summery because they're not like long, like very, very long, and they're really, really comfortable. Basically, I think that's it. Oh my god, I love it. And I can tell you that my favorite pieces were definitely these ones. Oh, and this one too. So these 3 are my favorite and I cannot wait to wear them. Okay guys, I actually forgot that I had received another pair of pants, and I don't know, I simply forgot to show you. And that's it. So guys, I hope you liked it. Leave your comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite, and I will actually leave in the description of the video all of the links for all of the products, okay? So yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give your thumbs up, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, SHEIN, for sending me all of these. I love it. And yes, so see you on the next video. Bye.